Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Zamalek 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Not a good result, but I have to say, Kaizer Chiefs did well in the tournament. I didn't expect them to actually 10 points, right? Going to the game, a lot of people were not happy with starting lineup Sakamatlo. Mina, I understand why bafake uMatlo, right? But I think they missed Umthetho. They needed someone who was a job in the midfield. Kaizer Chiefs approach yabo. I don't think it was correct. They were a bit defensive, and Lilepo no more on the left hand side. Sometimes we have to be really honest with ourselves, guys, if we want to get good results. They haven't been playing well. Yes, Ulilepo has been scoring goals, but he hasn't been playing well. Just because you score a goal does not mean that you are playing well. No, Buffett. Remember, it takes one touch to score a goal, or one good minute nyana to score a goal. It does not mean that you had a good game. He hasn't been playing well. Umodi, same thing, right? So I'm going to show you why they prefer Fabian McCarthy, not Fabian McCarthy. Aiden McCarthy on the left hand side than Umako, right? And then Simango didn't have a good game. But I won't show you highlights because I'm attack. But the first thing, I started with Zamalek. The game plan is Zamalek. Cool. Game plan is Zamalek. Why, if you ask yourself, okay, firstly, the North African teams, right, they do buy quality, right? They buy players who are playing in Europe or from South America. Zamalek, they have a player from Brazil that scored the first goal. Yeah? Besides the quality, yeah, they can score. They want to score in different ways. I go to pass around or no. Let me show you. The first one was try and go behind the defenders. This was the first one. Second example, right? Play the ball behind the defenders. This is what they tried to do. In the first 10 minutes, that's what they tried to do, is to catch Kaizer Chiefs behind the defenders. I showed you the first one, right? Was catch them, play the ball behind the defenders or over the defenders, right? And then the second one was but what I want to say is they have wingers that don't sit with touchline, right? Not like if you look at starting lineup, say Chiefs, wingers wabayenzani ahlala ku touchline. That's not how you're going to win a lot of games in the modern football. You need wingers that are gonna come inside and play as a half 10. Chiefs, they do have those wingers. They do have Serino, they do have Villagas. But this is our team. Throw in. This guy was playing as a right winger. Zamalek. But just focus on this guy. He's the guy from Brazil. He moves. Remember, Chiefs, they were playing 4-4-1-1, right? 4-4-1-1. Look at Umodi. Umodi is focused on this guy. No, this guy is not dangerous. This guy is dangerous. Because Ugude is very far. Ugude. This is the dangerous player here. You have to shift and close down the space. Shibogo. Uzukholile, ukhole nokhola. Sharp. They keep the ball. Watch what happens. Their wingers, they come inside. They don't stay emasidini on the touchline. This is a winger, Bafethu. This is a winger. This is a striker. This is a striker. The very smart thing that Zamalek did was to take a striker, bambege, go left back. So now, if you are a striker or what our strikers need to do, I saw this World Cup 2018, Belgium versus Brazil, right? Belgium won. Lukaku used to move to the left back. Remember, Marcelo is shorter than Lukaku, right? That's thinking. That's what these guys were doing. You see, this is a striker, Uzala Gumaku. And then this guy would normally come in here in between the two central midfielders. This is a winger, guys. It's a winger. Mostly because if Bogu Lupopo, Begazo Bala, hey, why need to Lupopo? Keep the ball. Watch this guy. Pagamisi Zandlo, Setlasi. He's free. Where is Umodi? Look at Umodi Gutugu. This guy is dangerous. This guy is not dangerous. He's not dangerous. Why are you not here? Unlucky. Let me take it back and show you why Lana Kushebakor. Let me take it back, Gangan. This is the right back. This is the left wing. All right. Watch this guy. Ball watching. Ball watching. Ball watching. Ball watching. Ball watching. Almost scored because we are ball watching. Now remember what I said. The first one was to play the ball behind. The second one was to come through the middle field. Right? This is the right wing, Buffett. Keep on moving. Look at where the right winger is. This is the left winger. This is the striker. This is the striker. Right back Naila. Could have played the ball here, but it's okay. Let's play. They'll get a chance, but I think they were very lucky. But now, look at these two. You can't be too close to each other, because the moment you are too close to each other, khona la kuzovuleka khona ispace. Angazi if niyangithola. And it's the two now. So this was Umabu, this was Undlo. They actually switched. I don't know why they switched, but it's the two strikers. Each of these 4-4-1-1. But now, Umotlo uzofuna ukuzovala this pass here. They play it here. He actually wanted to pass the ball there, but he was. If Begaslim, one touch, two touch, Ajalila. The North Africans, one thing that makes me say Uti Pirates is a winner league is because they can score in different ways. Abafunu kora ngendlela passing. No, they can score in different ways. That's why these North African teams, they are very good. But nabo baso. Nyapinda futhi, guys. Our strikers, they need to be smart. Just think about it. In most teams, our fullbacks, they are shorter than the central defenders. So if you are a striker and we are going with no man, this center back, ulingana namne height or is taller than me, why don't you move to uyogu left back, uyo champane left back, or uyo champane right back? Let me show you what these guys were doing. Let me show you. I show you with your last one. Look at this guy. This guy is a striker. He doesn't go to the center back. He goes to the left back. He goes there. then this striker joins him. Should have scored. That striker is taller than uMarco. There isn't much you can do. If umuntu mude kunawe, yes, you can jump uzama ukumblocker, but if it's a good cross or it's a good pass. Second half, guys. Second half, I'm going to show you the 2 goals conceded by Kaizer Chiefs. I'm not going to show you Golden Chiefs. It was a great cross, great header from Ulilepo. Ulilepo is very good when it comes to Guma corner kick, just like Usilva. But they didn't give us anything, Marashem, Chiefs up front. Even their substitutions, they didn't make a huge difference. Now, the first goal. I spoke about passing. Pass. You don't need a lot of players in the box. I see Bone on a different angle. Bad clearance. I did say Simango didn't have a good goal. Bad clearance la, ne? Sharp. Now, ball lizala. Communication. You will never you'll always concede goals as defenders if you don't communicate. You'll always do that. Because look at these two. Way two bayale, then he decides to eating your pressure. It's too late. Because this guy, Wenzani, he passes this guy. He's not crossing here. Maybe Omuyuzoti passing and crossing is the same thing. No. When it's a corner kick, you cross the ball. And you're hoping one of your players will hit. Here, you pass your teammate. Pass inside. The 2 center backs, I don't know why Oiwanu abangazange ayopressa. Let me take it back. I don't know why Oiwanu abangazange ayopressa. One of them was supposed to go and press here. Don't give him time to turn, abege, look at the sunset, or abege. No. They gave him time. Too late. I said I'll show you why Kaizer Chiefs, technical team in Kaizer Chiefs prefers uMcCarthy and uMarco. It is because uMarco likes to go forward and uMcCarthy does not like going forward. And when he doesn't go forward, they are always stable at the back. Now, go Zamalekele 2. I want you to count how many times each Chiefs had the chance to clear the ball. Ne? By winner first time, second time, about winning. Now, okay, la ball. Sharp. Siya nigga. Now, here, there's no need for uMarco to pass the ball besaya gijima la. No, there's no need. That's why ngithi Chiefs prefer uMcCarthy than uMarco. And we can't blame uMarco. That's his strength. Ufundiswe kanjalo ukuthi mela attack. He passes the ball, he goes back. We lose the ball. Remember, this is Serino. Serino is not a defender. Umbheke uSerino ukuthi wenzani. He goes to press, badlala la. Phakathi, inside. That's why the technical team ifuna uMcCarthy imdlalise laphaya, because he doesn't go forward. And The past 3 games, Kaizer Chiefs conceded a goal from losing the ball in the middle. Against Stellenbosch, last week against Al Masry, yes, and against Zamalek. You do not lose the ball in the middle, because when you lose it in the middle, isikhathi bafethu, isikhathi sokudefenda sesisincane and wonke umuntu uvulile. So bazokhala, but ngicela ningangikhalisi. Please like, please share, please subscribe. And once again, ngiyabonga guys for the positive messages kuma comments. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.